And a good evening. I am in conversation with both Billy and Richmond regarding the adapted compensation plan. I will go ahead and bring up the compensation plan in screen share.
Yes. Okay, so what we discussed earlier on the Zoom call, you know the original comp plan, and also this is being, the PDF file is being updated right now. Hopefully by Monday we will have the new PDF file out there. Basically, everything is still the same thing, okay? If you make money at level 1, so level 1, once you have your 2 people under you, with all the deduction taken out of it, you're gonna make $40.
Okay.
Level 2, you're gonna make $135. So now what is gonna happen is the company is saying that you must withdraw level 1 and level 2 money. So even if you make level of the $40, you must withdraw all of it. Okay, and when you make level 2, you must withdraw all of it. Now, what is gonna happen is at level 2, the company is saying that you must purchase another ad package, okay, which is 2 package you must purchase at level 2 to unlock level 3, okay, to unlock level 3. All right.
Okay, so on level, when you start, you purchase 1 pack, $50 pack, and on level 1, you get a $40 compensation. Then level 2, you will get $135 compensation. Both these amounts must be withdrawn.
Correct.
And then one of the modifications, the second modification is, in order to be able to make earnings on level 3, you have to purchase 2 additional packs, 2 additional $50 packs, correct?
Correct. But the thing is, even if you made $325 at level 3, it's still gonna be in your back office. But to withdraw it, you must purchase 2 package.
Okay. Okay.
So, and then guess what? That level you can withdraw. For you to withdraw level 7, you must purchase. I'm looking at 700. If you want to withdraw level 4, you must also purchase another package. Only 1.
Okay.
And then for you to withdraw level 5, you must purchase 1 more package to unlock level 5 for you to cash out at 1,450. Now, if this is the case that a member cash out from level 1 from level 1 to level 5 is filled up, the system is going to allow you to take level 1 and 2. Okay, the same time, the same day, the system will allow you to purchase 2 positions the same time, and that will allow you to withdraw your 325. So once you withdraw your 325, you got 2 more positions that you can buy. You can go ahead and do purchase another 2 positions, and you can withdraw level 4 and level 5.
Okay, so level 1, the $40, when you earn it, you can withdraw it. Level 2,
correct,
the 135, when you earn it, you can withdraw it.
Correct.
People begin, or positions begin to be placed. This actually needs to be changed from members to positions, but the positions, 8 positions under you will continue to be placed, but in order to withdraw that money, the requirement on level 3 to get the 325 is you must purchase 2 positions. In order then level 4 to withdraw your $700, you must purchase 1 additional position. And in order to withdraw your earnings from level 5, you must purchase 1 other position. So in total on the 4 levels, 3, 4, and 5, you will be purchasing an additional 4 positions, which obviously is a fantastic way to boost the matrix. I mean, to boost the matrix, to boost all the people in line with additional purchases. I understand.
Correct. You're right about that. So now it's like you have a fire you know, that is burning and is going out, what do you need? You need more firewood to keep the fire burning. So now we have solved the problem with people being the bottom. Now people that is cashing out on the top, they got to buy position that is going to feed them, which is going to keep the fire burning for them to also to earn faster.
Right.
You understand? So now you got old members buying position, and you got new members coming in buying position. Now, what is happening to those 4 positions that you buy? Those 4 positions that you buy, guess what? They're also making money for you with the same with a different ID. Okay, you don't have to create different email or nothing like that. It's the same. The first account, that once you finish that level 5, that one is gone. Now those 4 accounts now is working for you. It's generating funds for you from level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. And then guess what? All those 4 accounts also have to generate funds for you. So now guess what? All of them have to buy when you reach level 2 before you can cash out level 3. All those 4 accounts, you must purchase 2 positions each.
And then based on the other modification, which requires people to withdraw that 40, to withdraw that 135, they by that time received 175. It's very easy for them out of that 175 to pay the 2 positions to unlock level 3, which is only $100. So of the $175 they make, they bring $100 back into the system, correct?
Correct.
Okay, that is a very good self-feeding, self-pushing. What it will definitely assure, the modification will assure that the people who have purchased their $50 ad pack and who are in the waiting line, that those people know that there is a continuous push behind them, and as a result, the whole system will move faster, will move smoother. The leaders are automatically pushing the people who are passively participating, and yeah, it's a beautiful recycling, a good motion boosting.
Correct. That's why we don't want nobody to be like, okay, now you made money in the back office and you're using the money in the back office to purchase a position. No, we want to cut that off because we have realized a program that do piffing and all those type of stuff, it don't work. So now you have a system that money is coming in, money is going out, money is coming in, money is going out.
Understand. Perfect. Excellent. Well, that's a clear overview, and I will go ahead and switch off the recording right here. I hope for everyone that now that this gives you a clearer view. There is also assurance on future webinars that the background noise will be eliminated flat out. It will not be there anymore. It's a technical adaptation that needs to be done, so that in the future explanations can be easily understood by everybody. Thank you for watching the short video.